Good morning all. This is Sudeep and I would like to welcome you to my new channel CATIA by Sudeep Singh. So let me give you a brief introduction about my channel. In this channel I will be basically talking about design, implementation of design using different softwares, concepts of design, projection, etc. So this is my first video in the channel and here I will be introducing you a new software called CATIA. So what is CATIA? CATIA stands for Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application, which is a leading software used in industry for implementing CAD, CAM and CAE like concepts. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing and CAE stands for Computer Aided Engineering. So in order to start using CATIA software, first of all you need CATIA software installed in your laptop or PC and some basics of design. I hope that all of you who are watching this video are acquainted with the basics of CATIA software, or you have CATIA software installed in your laptop or PC and you know basics of engineering, drawing or design. So if you don't have any idea about this, then you can share it in comment box and I would be happy to give you guidance about that in our future videos. So let me give you introduction about CATIA software in this video. So I have already installed CATIA software in my laptop. The CATIA version which I am using is V5 and R21. His version R is revision. So when you open CATIA software, you will be getting a window like this. This upper one is called main window and this is called sub window. So you can restore down the main window. You can also restore down the sub window. So you see here it is written CATIA V5, which is our main window. Inside this we have a sub window called product 1 which opens by default, and you can see this product 1 under this window tab here. So initially let me close this window and give you brief introduction about CATIA software. Now when you see CATIA software, you see a button here called Start. Under Start, there are various platforms here available, and this is our mechanical design platform, which is our focus today. Under this mechanical design, we have part design, we have assembly design, we have sketcher, we have here composite grid design, have your composites design. So why I told you about these only because these will be using in detail. We'll be using Sketcher. Sketcher is a platform which is used to draw 2D sketches for the object which we are going to make. Part design is a platform which is used for making 3D objects from the Sketcher drawing. So in Sketcher you make a 2D face and you extend it to 3D in part design, and then more than one number of parts make an assembly. So in assembly design workbench, you will be able to assemble different parts together to make an assembly. So these are called workbenches: part design workbench, assembly design workbench, sketcher workbench. these are the basic workbenches to arrive at any 3D model. Now because I am going to introduce you about composite design, so we have two workbenches here dedicated to composite design and drafting, that is composite grid design and composites design. And you should also know a little bit about drafting. So what is drafting? Drafting is a 2D representation where dimension, etc. all details are given for the drawing. Okay. So how to enter into part design, which is the primary workbench of CATIA for us now. So there are two ways of entering into part design. You can go to start menu, put your cursor on mechanical design and go to part design and left click on it. When you click, you will be getting a dialog box. In this dialog box, by default it is written part 1, which will be the name of your new part which you are going to draw. Here you can give any name of your choice, overriding the default name, and you can click OK. After clicking OK, you will be getting a new sub window like this, named as per the name given by you, and under the window tab also, like I told you earlier, you will be getting this. Now you can maximize it. So what we get after we maximize this window, we get something written XY plane, YZ plane, ZX plane and part body. Whatever drawing you will be creating here, those will be saved under this part. So this total is called feature tree. Whatever operations you will be doing, those will be saved under this. This is called tree. If you are not getting this tree option here, using F3 you can switch it back on or off like this. I pressed F3 and now it is vanished. I'll press again F3 and it will come again. Now here at the middle of your screen, what are you getting? You are getting 3 planes. If you look closely, when I am keeping my mouse on this, you see this plane is being highlighted in blue dots, and on the left hand side here also you mark. When I'll take my mouse here, you will see the same blue dots here. Either you put your mouse on the plane, you will get both the plane and the plane in the tree selected, or you keep your mouse on the tree and you will see the plane also selected along with this. If you click on, now I have not clicked on the plane. If you click on the plane, it will be selected and the color will be like this. This shows that this plane is selected. You can select the plane directly at the middle also like this. You can select this plane, that is YZ plane, which is highlighted here. You can select this plane also, XY plane. You can select any individual plane from the tree also. Similarly, whatever drawings or operation you will be creating, those also you can select from the tree directly or in the drawing. That flexibility is there in CATIA. Now if you want to multi-select these, then you can left click your mouse button and drag it and select all, or you can select, as you might be knowing, by using control and selecting all the planes. So why I am telling you to select all this? Because now I am going to hide this. Why? Because this is plane system which comes by default in the CATIA software. But I want to use when I am keeping my mouse cursor here, axis system is written. This is axis system. I want to use that. There is little bit more benefit. Things are similar. This plane system, using this plane system, you can select any plane and you can enter into that plane and do whatever 2D drawing you want to do. Like, let me select this plane of YZ. I selected this plane YZ and go to this tool, that is sketch tool, enter into sketch. Now I am in 2D. I am in 2 dimension. I am in Sketcher workbench. If I want to come out of this 2D and I want to enter into 3D, this is my 3D isometric view where I can see all the 3 planes simultaneously together. But if I select any one plane and enter into sketch mode, then all my planes are present, but I entered into that specific plane which was selected. So I am in 2D basically now, and now I am in 3D. So this is plane system with 3 mutually perpendicular planes. But I would like to rather use axis system, because in axis system I am getting an extra point. I am getting all the 3 planes. Advantage is that I am getting all the 3 planes. Along with that, I am getting an extra point, which is the origin point, which I can use further and which will help me to easily do my operations. So that we will know in further classes when we will continue to practice. No problem. Now let me hide this in order to reduce confusion. Now all these planes are hidden and I will click here on axis system. Now when I click axis system, I will get a dialog box and the axis system here. Now in this axis system which is seen here, you see all the 3 planes are there, but representation is a little bit different, and I have a provision of giving a point definition here. Now I cannot select anything, it is showing cross mark because my dialog box is open. So let me deal with the dialog box now. Now it is asking you some details. What you can do is that, what kind of axis system? Is it a standard axis system, or it is an axis rotation system, or it is a Euler angle? Let us stick to our standard axis system because it is default and it is the easiest one to interpret. Now origin. Here I would like to give a point. There is no origin, there is no point in my sketch. I have not done anything. It has not selected anything. So I would like to create a point here. So I will right click on it, right click on the blue text here and click on create point. So when I clicked create point, I got a point definition system. By default it has taken x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Means what is this? x0, y0, z0 is the origin point by default. So it has selected origin point. I can give here any value I want. I can click here 100 and here also 100. You see the position of the point moving. Earlier the point was here. Let me do it again. Earlier when it was 0, I click outside. See, point is here. Okay. Now when I put 100 in x ordinate and I change to y ordinate, see x ordinate value it was 100. Then here in y also, if I click 100 and click somewhere else, the point got shifted, y value also became 100. So this is the new point whose x ordinate is 100 and y ordinate is also 100. Now here in z, if I give again 100 mm and click somewhere else, my point got shifted to here, new point, whose value is x is 100, y is 100 and z is 100. So this is my new point. So for easiness, I'll everything 0, 0, 0. Now see, the values I am changing and the point position is retrieving backwards to my 0, 0, 0 original origin position. Now I will click on OK. Now you see, origin it selected point 1 which I just created and has shown it that this is the origin. I don't need to give any values. I can, instead of origin, I can give X value here, Y value here, Z value here. I can select any point, but there is no point now. I am starting my drawing, so there is no point. I will click here, okay, and I will just shifted from plane system to axis system. Now let us interpret this axis system properly. Now in this axis system, I have all the 3 planes which I have hidden here. I have my YZ plane. When I am keeping my mouse here, it is showing blue dotted. If I left click here, it will be selected. Similarly, I have my XZ plane. I can select that. I have my YZ plane. I can select that. Now this is I selected plane. In similar earlier way as I explained, I can click select and I can use the sketch tool to enter into that plane. And I can use exit workbench to come out to 3D view. Here another advantage that I can select specific axis also. I put my mouse here, my plane got selected, here also, but if I put my mouse here, only Y axis is getting selected, only Z axis is getting selected, only X axis is getting selected, which we could not do in plane system. That is one advantage, and I have got an origin point also here, and that origin point we created, so we can see it under part body. See the point here which we have created. Now, as I told initially, if you have any difficulty, you can put in comments below. I will be happy to discuss. And because I have already my CATIA V5 installed here, so I could not show you the installation process. But if you are finding any difficulty in installing CATIA V5 software, or finding difficulty in finding the software, or you don't know basics of design concept, you don't know what is projection, what are different views, what is front view, top view, as I discussed here, front view, top view, back view, side view, you don't know all those, then that also you can mention in comments. If I will get sufficient number of requests, I will make a video on that for explaining you the basics of design concepts. Now, if you like my content, if you like or understood what I explained in this video, please like this video and please subscribe to my channel so that you will be getting notification for all